Hi guys, today I'll be telling you about a brand called Uniqlo. Uniqlo is a clothing apparel company which was originally founded in Yamaguchi, Japan in 1949 as a textile manufacturer. Now it is a global brand with a over of 1000 stores around the world, redefining clothing which focus on quality and textiles which has been evolved since the company origin in 1949. Uniqlo is often compared to other big brands in the fast fashion category such as Zara and H&M. History behind Uniqlo. Uniqlo is an international clothing chain that began as a single store in Japan. Within 20 years, Uniqlo has become Asia's largest clothing retailer and has spread to numerous locations around the world. Its first store opened in Hiroshima, Japan in 1984. The company was called Unique Clothing Warehouse, which became Uniqlo. They opened 21 stores in UK by 2002, but only 8 remained in 2006. Uniqlo currently has 800 locations worldwide, including US, France, China, Singapore. It's the fast retailing is the owner of the Uniqlo brand, and the strength of the Uniqlo brand is appealing brand image, modern store layouts, fashionable clothing, cheap prices, high quality material. And the weakness are some consumer are unaware of the brand and lack of advertising, you can say, and they cater customers in the age of 25 to 35 years of bracket, and the customer who are price conscious, influenced by the brand celebrities, and women's wear makes the majority of the market. The first store was open at Ambience Mall, Vasant Kunj in New Delhi. They did 2.20 crores in 2 days when they opened, and they are also planning their more stores in DLF Saket and DLF Cyber Hub Gurgaon. And their top sellers product is packaged dry short sleeve t-shirts and ultra stretch jeans, lingerie, fleece series, and heat tech series are the top selling series of their brand. Thank you.